Jai Srimanarayana. 35th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Etat srutva vachanam kesavasya krutanjalihi vepamanah किरीटी नमस्कृत्वा भूय एवाह कृष्णं सगद्गदं भीतः प्रणम्य ओम। Realize that if you prostrate before Sri Krishna Paramatma, you will definitely overcome by all your fear, great fear. Realize that if you bow down to Sri Krishna Paramatma and talk to him about all your concerns, definitely all your concerns will be addressed. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you declare to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely prostrate before you. Please help me overcome all my great fear. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall bow down to you and talk to you about all my concerns. Please address all my concerns and protect me. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano viraha katara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 187th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Aghasura in the form of Python opened his mouth, and then Gopalakas have seen that entered into the same mouth, thinking that whether it is alive or dead. And also they are thinking that Maybe if it is alive and if it is here to swallow all of us, definitely kshanātanena iti bakaryushanmukham. This Aghasura also will be dead in the hands of our Krishna. This Aghasura's, this python's mouth has such a huge, dreadful jaws, and teeth are looking like mountain, top edges of mountains. Like that, Gopalakas have seen that huge mouth, opened mouth of Aghasura, and also thinking that if it is really here to swallow, definitely Krishna will kill this Aghasura, this python. And then Gopalakas, while looking at beautiful face of Krishna, while giving a nice smile to Krishna, while making claps, and joyfully they all entered into that python's mouth. And also thinking that as and how Krishna peeled out Bakasura, so also Krishna will peel out this python. Bakunin champina Krishnudunda manakun pamanchu chintimpanetiki ra podamudati anuchun padmakshu vikshinchi. Krishna killed Bakasura, and then he will definitely be able to kill this python also. Like that, with so much of faith in Krishna, Gopalakas entered into python's mouth. Sri Krishna Paramatma, Akhila Bhuta Hrit Sthitaha Bhagavan, the one who is present in all the hearts of all living beings and who is all pervasive, who is the supreme, is looking at his friends Gopalakas entering into the huge dreadful mouth of python. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 35th sloka. Etat srutva vachanam kesavasya Krutanjalihi vepamanah kiriti. Namaskrutvā bhūya yevaha Krishnam sagadgadam bhīta bhītah pranamya. Etat srutvā vachanam kesavasya krutāņjalirvepamanah kirīti. Namaskrutvā bhūya yevaha Krishnam sagadgadam bhīta bhītah pranamya. Srimannārayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannārayana.